Okay, everything is fine now, guys. Come on. Everything is good.
Yes, Ravi, good. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So fine now, guys. Okay. So as well as what? As well as what? Non-connected data also we will get, right? What is that? Not connected data also we will get, right? Not connected data also we will get. What is that? Null equal to what is that?
45.
45
5.
at the time. So this, if we are getting like this data, then this concept is nothing but what, guys? Right join.
Right joining.
Right.
Right join, right join. Okay, good. Okay, now okay, another one is what? Let's one more is there, right? Full, what is that? Full join, right? Full join a full outer join. Okay, full join a full outer join. Okay, good. This is the two table are there. One is the parent and another one is child. Okay, whenever we will fetch the data, guys, okay, whenever we will fetch the data, okay, so what we will get now? Connected record as well as what? Not connected record also if we get, okay, that is called what? Full join, guys. Okay, that is called what? Full join. Means 10 is not connected with what is that? Any. So what is that? 10 is not connected with what? Null, right? What is that? 10 equal to what? Null.
Null.
And
11
again
equal to
again
46.
connected data. What is the connected data? 11 and what is that? 46, right? 46. Okay, and 12 is what is the 47? Okay, 47. And another one is what is that? Another record? Null equal to what is
Null
that?
equal to 45.
Means what is the connected data also we are getting, and what is that? Not connected data also we are getting. This concept is nothing but what, guys? Full join now. Okay, this concept is nothing but what? Full join, guys. Okay, full join to what is that? Fetch the table, fetch the data now. Okay, guys, so now till now anybody having any doubt in this explanation, guys, ask. Okay, ask, then we will move on the next level discussion now.
No, Ravi, please.
No, Ravi, it's clear.
No, daughter, it's clear. Everything is clear.
Yeah,
Got it, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay, so good. Okay, so let's first understand what is that, then we will implement as a, what is that? Join concept in using what is that? HQL, right? HQL. But first we will understand the syntax of what, guys? Syntax of what? Our what? Syntax of what? Our like an SQL query. First we will understand based on the SQL. If we good in the SQL, right, then we can implement in the JPA using what is that? JPA. That things will become what? Too much. What is that? Easy now.
Easy.
Okay, so okay, guys, so just think about that. This is our table, right? This is our table. So I'm going to write what is the join syntax, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give front of you people join syntax. Okay, join syntax. Let's just try to understand, not try to understand. You people will understand only because I know that, right? I will make that much easy. Okay, these two tables are there now, guys. Okay, so just I'm writing what is that? SQL syntax. Okay, SQL, what is that? SQL syntax. What is that? Join syntaxes I'm writing. Only one syntax will be there, and based on this syntax, guys, we will apply in the what is that? All join concept, right? All join concept. Okay, so what is that syntax will be now, guys? Okay, see this. Okay, see this. So what is that? Select. Okay, select will be there. Select, this is the syntax. After then what is that? From. After then what is that? Another one is what? On. Okay, on. After that, if need condition, where, but don't concentrate on where now. Okay, na, just concentrate on this area, right? So this area. Okay, so guys, what is that? I want to apply what is that? Inner join, right? This is the syntax, guys. Okay, this is the syntax now. Okay, so join concept means what is that? Here this is the here what is that? Parent table. In the from, what is that? First we will write the what is that? From. Here what is that? From is there, right? From. Here what is that? First we will write the parent. Parent, what is that? Parent table, right? Parent table name plus what is that? We will specify alias name, okay? Alias name, okay? After that, another one is what? Another, we will write the join concept. Which join we want to perform it? Which join we want to perform? Join type means we will write here what is a join type. This is the syntax, guys, okay? This is the join type. After then what we will write now, guys? After then what we will write now, guys? After then we will write what is the child table, right? A child table, and we will specify child table name we will give, and after then we will specify one what? Alias name, right? We will specify
Alias name.
one alias.
One alias name.
Okay now. Okay, guys. And the on, right? In the on, what we will do now? Primary key. Whatever the primary key is there, right? Foreign key and the primary key. We whatever connected primary key and foreign key is there based on the join concept, right? Based on the join concept, okay, foreign key will become what is that? Primary key, and primary key will become. So how we can write it? The means what is that? We are connecting the both table for the selecting table, right? So what is the parent table?
EID.
Sorry.
P.EID equal to.
Okay, yeah. We will take the reference of what is that parent table dot. What is that? If inner join is there, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If means what is it? Just think about parent table PID. We will take after then what is that? After equal to what is that?
Is
Child
equal to C dot DID.
child
dot
table.
DID.
Then what is the CID? No. Okay. CID DID we will not take, guys. Okay. Foreign key. Okay. This foreign key we will take. What is that? CID foreign key we will take. C dot what is that? C dot what is that? C dot
foreign key.
After then what is that? Whatever row we want to select in the both table. If we want to select what is that? Employee as well as what? D name, right? So we will write the E dot what? E dot what? E dot plus what is that? E name is there, right? That E name we will write. E name we will write. After then comma. E dot
E name.
E name, right? Yeah. E dot E name as well as what? After then I want to select what is the child record. Then what is that? What is the child reference alias name? C. We will take comma and what is the D name. Like this we will select. Okay. This is the syntax of to what? Fetching the record from the multiple table. Okay. And this is the join. And here what is that? Whatever you want to apply the join, right? Here inner join. Just write inner join. Okay. If you want to perform right join, just write right join. Okay. If you want to perform what is that? Left join. Like this. Syntax, every syntax will be same, just this area will change based on that join concept, guys. Okay. Based on the join concept, this area will be changed now. Okay, guys. So just I'm going to give one example now. Okay. Just I'm going to give one example. So just think about that. Don't think about that classes. Think about the database table, right? Think about that database table. Okay. These two table is there. Employee is there, right? Employee is there. And what is that? Department is there, right? DEPT, department is there. Okay. So inside the department, okay. So what is that? EMP table is there. EMP tab is there. Inside this EMP tab, what is that? EID is there, right? EID is the E name is there. One I'm giving, second I will ask to you people. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so after then what is the DIDFK is there? Foreign key. This is the foreign key is there, right? And what is that? This is the child table, guys. Okay, this is the child table. Okay, DID. This is the child table and D name is there, right? D name is there. Okay, these two properties there in the child table. Okay, and that this is the department. DEPT tab. DEPT tab is there, right? So okay, guys. So just I'm going to perform based on these two table. What is that? Inner join. Okay, I'm going to perform what is that? Inner join. Inner join, right? Inner join. So what is that? Come to syntax. Okay, first I will copy this syntax, guys. Okay, front of based on this syntax only we will perform that. Then you people will get clear picture about what join concept is.
Ravi, here parent table P alias name na, but you have taken E dot E name.
Sorry for that. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, it's a good observation. Good observation,
No,
right?
I have
Good
pointed out
observation.
that.
Here we will take the P, guys. Okay. Don't worry, my mind is a little bit okay. Actually, I scolded her. Really, actually, internally, I'm not feeling good, guys. After scolded, right? At the time, I unable to what. Okay, sorry for that. Just I can say sorry.
It is
Things
common.
happen.
I think she
Okay,
left the session also. She's not there in the session. Okay, good.
You feel like I disturbed the flow. That's why you got
Yes, suddenly actually unnecessary questions. Unnecessary
Ravi, since
questions he
morning
started to
you're
ask.
since morning you are explaining it's a part of life, okay? You don't need to be sorry those many times.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, no,
Since
actually,
morning
this is
you are
not
explaining
my attitude, man. Okay.
You are sacrificing your
Teacher means you
weekend
have
and you are explaining. So
Actually,
you don't need to be sorry those many times. That's okay.
Little bit, actually unnecessary question that is. Think about that. We are learning the database and suddenly if anybody is asked like this question, little bit different things will come.
Yeah.
You are explaining
Yeah,
everything free of cost
questions.
for our lives. So
No,
it's
not
okay.
a free of cost. Don't take this word. Yeah, okay. It's my interest because of that I'm delivering the subject. That is a secondary thing. Okay. So, but the problem is, suddenly if anybody is asked, right, JDBC and what is that GPA. So the capabilities should be this much. Okay, why we are using JPA and why we are using JDBC. Initially, only I'm explaining these things. Okay.
Right. Small analyzation has to be there. You're right.
Ravi, I think he is not experienced, means not working guy.
Leave it.
That's why
Who
I
is the
think.
experienced? Okay, who is the experienced person? Who is the not experienced person? That is our not business. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, leave it.
Okay.
Okay. So good.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So okay, inner
Yeah.
join. Okay, inner join is there, right? Inner join is there. Good. So inner join is there now. Okay, fine now, guys. So here, what we are going to do now? So we are going to perform what is that in both table, right? Both table inner join. So what is the syntax we taken now? First, we will take the what is that? Okay, see this. Okay, this is the syntax now, guys. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, good. Okay, this is the syntax now. Okay, fine. Okay, this is the syntax. What syntax we wrote? Select. First select operation, right? Select, right? Another one is what? From.
From
On, from,
Another one is what? On. Leave the where condition. No need till just focus on this area. Okay. So if we are performing what is that inner join? Inner join. Foreign key will be which side now, guys? EMP table, right?
Parent table.
yes, sir.
So okay.
Yeah.
So if we are joining this both table, so for that what is that? What it will be based on the inner join now, guys? Okay. So what is the
First we
EMP
take the
table name
parent
is what?
class,
EMP
Imp
table,
type
right?
it.
parent table name,
tab,
EMP tab,
Okay. So what is that?
EMP tab,
EMP tab.
tab.
The table name is what?
E.
EMP, right? EMP.
Yeah.
Okay. So after then we will give what is that? One alias.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what join we are going to perform it now, guys? Inner join, right?
Inner join.
Inner join.
Inner
Okay.
join.
Okay. So good. So what we will take now, guys? Here inner
join,
Inner
join.
join.
Here we will take the inner
Right.
join. Inner join. After then what is that? Which table we are joining now?
Unknown tab.
Child
Child
table DPT,
child
right?
table.
child table,
Okay. So
department
what
tab,
it will be there now, guys? So what is that?
Right.
DPT tab, tab,
DEPT tab. Okay.
D.
C,
DEPT tab, right? Tab. After then what? D, right? D. This is the what is that? Okay. We specified both table, means what is that? We connected based on this one. What is that? We connected our both table, guys. Okay. This is the syntax. After then what is that? Which one we are connecting now? Primary key with what is that? Foreign key, because inner join only what is that? Connected data we will get, right? Connected data we will get. Come on, yaar.
Yes.
Yes,
See this, what is that? What in inner join? What is that? Connected data we
Yes,
will get.
Ravi.
Connected,
connected data will get data.
connected
Common
data
data
only.
on both sides.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi.
Connected data we will get, right? Okay, so what is
Yes.
that? I'm taking what is that?
Yes.
E dot. After then, what is that? E dot. Which ID we will connect it?
E
On,
dot
right?
EID. E dot EID.
1 minute, guys.
No.
This is the on, right? Move.
Child table.
Okay.
Right.
So here, what is that? Here, see this. Here, see this. What is that? E dot.
EID.
E dot. What is that? EID, right?
DID after.
EID.
Right.
After then, what?
Equal to.
No. No, sir.
Equal to.
Equal to what
D
is that?
dot.
Ravi.
D dot.
D dot. What is that?
DID FK. E
No, it
dot.
should be like that.
Sorry.
DID after.
What is that? Inner
No,
join
sir.
is there, na guys? Hey, please, who is talking in the
Right.
system? Please mute yourself. Multiple people is unmuted and they are talking. Okay, so here, okay. Which one is connected now in the employee table, guys? Okay, DIDFK, right?
DIDFK.
Okay, so what we will take? What is the employee table reference? E, right? We will
E
take
dot.
the
E.
we will
E
take
dot
the
D.
E.
E dot
E dot. After
DID.
that, what is
Did
that?
IFCA.
Okay.
DIDFK.
We will take this one, DIDFK.
Yes.
DIDFK. We will take equal to what is that? Which one we are connecting now? Department DID we are connecting, right? So after then, what is that? Department reference.
D dot
Again,
DID.
what we are taking? D dot. D dot. What is that?
DID.
Did
D
ID.
dot
DID.
DID. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then means what is that? We are connecting with what is that? Parent table foreign key with what is the child table primary key.
Primary key.
Okay. So now, okay.
Ravi, I think on the right side, and the example is an error, an on statement on the right side. I think
Right.
on the right side, select P name, comma CD name, and the on statement is an error. Not
Another.
PID, not PID, but PCFK.
In syntax, first you have to write like P dot PID equal to C dot CFK.
Yes.
In syntax, right side,
After right side, please.
right side corner. Not that one. In previous one, you have
In
to write
syntax, select.
In this syntax, don't worry. Let
It is
them to
a
complete.
simple syntax, nothing.
Listen,
That's
first,
the syntax only.
So here it is another situation.
see
So we
guys,
are using E dot
first you have to listen the session, okay? After completing the concept, you people will get the clear picture, okay? Don't disturb in the middle. Okay, so come on guys, ready now?
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi. Please go ahead.
Yes.
So what is that? The inner join we are going to perform. What is that? Inner join. So what is that? Inner means what is that? Primary parent table foreign key as well as what? Child table primary key we will connect. So here on using what is that on keyword? What we are doing now? Equal to, right? Means what is that? We are connecting.
Yes.
We are joining here. First we are joining these two table. These two table using what is that? Inner join, guys. Okay. After then what is that? E dot DIDFK means what is the foreign key plus what is that? Foreign key we are connecting with what is that? The child table.
Primary key, child key.
Okay, we connected both table, right? Whatever permutation and combination is there to connect based on these two syntax we are connecting. Now the concept is I want to select the data from these two table, right? So for that, just think about that. I want to select what is that? This row, E name row, and what is that in the department? What is that? D name, right? These two row I want to select from the both table, right? So what we will do now in the select area. So just think about that. E name belonging from which table now, guys? Parent table. That is nothing but EMP table. EMP table, right?
Yes.
Okay. Inside that EMP table, I need to select what is that E name. So what is that? Already we taken the alias from in the side in the condition of from what alias name we are taking now? E.
E dot E name.
E dot.
E dot E name.
Then what we will take?
Dot E name.
E
dot E name.
E dot E name. E name we will take. Comma. I want to select what is that? Child data D name, right? So what we will take now, guys? What we will take now?
D dot D name.
So
D
for that,
dot
what is
D name.
specify the alias name now, guys?
D dot D name.
D, na?
D.
D dot what is that?
Yes.
D name.
D
Right?
D
name.
name.
Means what is that? Whenever we will write this query, right? We will select both table record, okay? E name and what is that? D name. This is nothing but what? Inner join, guys.
Yes, Ravi, clear.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, it's clear.
Clear.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, guys. So,
Yes, Ravi, clear it is.
okay. So fine now, guys. So okay, so same table is there. Just think
Ravi.
about that.
Hi, Ravi. In inner join, so it is not taking duplicate value, na?
In the inner
Duplicate
join.
value.
In inner join, right? Whatever connected row, don't bother about that. What is that duplicate and right? Whatever connected
Okay,
data
okay.
will be there, those data will come.
Okay, okay.
Till now, things I explained, right? Connected data in
Yeah,
inner
yes, yes.
inner. What is that? Whatever connected data is there, those data will come. In the join concept,
Okay,
what is duplicate and what is that duplicate and common data concept is not there. Okay, for the selecting purpose,
Okay,
we are using join concept, guys. Okay, to select the multiple from the multiple table the record. For that, we are using the join concept. Okay. So see this. Okay. What is that? Till now I explained, guys, clearly. Inner join means what is that? Connected. Whatever connected row is there between both tables.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Table. And even I tell, right? We can take any. Here I taken many to one, right? Many to one. And in the just tell in the many to one what I told foreign key can be duplicated or not.
Yes.
Foreign key
Yes.
only
yeah, foreign key may be duplicate.
Only in one concept. What is that? One-to-one relation is there.
One-to-one
What is that?
duplicate.
Unique foreign key will be there. And except that other concept, one to many, many to one. Okay. After the many to many, duplicate foreign will be allowed now.
Okay.
So there is no concept duplicate and what is that unique, guys? Okay, in the join concept.
Okay. It's clear.
Please go ahead.
Okay, guys. So okay, good doubt is there means the person is listening what is that carefully. Okay, don't worry, no problem. Okay, good. So here what is that now, guys? See this. Okay, see this. This is the concept. Okay, so I'm again this one is there, right? So I'm taking what is that? Just left join. Okay, I want what is that? If we want to perform what is that? Left join. Okay. So what is that? Left join. Okay, in between what is that? Both table. This table is there, right? Just think about this is the table. Okay, in this table, what I'm going to perform it now to come to what is that? Left join concept is now, guys. Left is meaning is what? Data will come as what? Whatever total data means whatever connected data is there, that data also as well as whatever not connected data.
Parent data class.
Sorry.
Parent data also come. Data also come.
Yeah, parent data also will come, right? So for that, what is that? Just think about that syntax. I'm writing the syntax, guys. Okay, means what is the select, and after then what is the where must be remember the syntax, guys. Okay, if you want to perform the what is the join concept, this what is that? This syntax should be there in your brain. Then you can able to perform it, right?
Select from on.
Yeah.
Select on.
Where, right? WH.
No.
Where?
From, sir, from.
Oh, sorry. It's my mistake. From. Okay. And here, what is that? What I'm taking on. And this is the select, right? So select.
Yes.
Select. Okay, guys. So this is the syntax. Okay. So our need is what? To perform what, guys? Left join. Our need is what? Left join. Our need is what? To perform what is that? Left join, right? Our need is to perform what is that? Left join, guys. Okay. So fine now, guys. So I need to perform what? Left join. And this is the syntax now, guys. Okay. What is that? This is the syntax. What is the select and from and on? This is the syntax. Okay. And we have need to perform what? Left join, right? We have need to perform what? Left join. So okay, guys. based on the last explanation, right? Based on the last explanation, can you people give what is that? What is that? What will be the, I want to select what is that in the parent table, E name as well as what D name also, right? But join concept we are applying on this syntax, what is that? Left only, except everything will be same, guys. Just I'm giving the hint only. What will be changed now? What will be changed now? This syntax. Inner join is there. From there only left join will become.
Left join.
Yes, left join only.
Okay, so now everyone use the chat box and write the query based on by seeing this one. I want to see that how many people can understand. How many people is understanding the session, our session now. I want to see everyone. Guys, please use the chat box and give the response now. Only select D name from MP tab E, left join DPT on. Good. What about other?
Yes, Ravi. Clear.
I said write the query. I'm not asking clear or not clear. Oh, Padma, your query is good only, but you forget the what is that reference to take the alias name to specify alias name. You forget it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So no issue. See, if I'm saying that the person is sitting ideal, okay, that is the crime. It's not meaning that you are giving the response means that is a good one. Yes. Some are correct. And what is that? Spring person. You are Spring. You taken your name as a Spring. And what is that in the Spring?
No. The thing was that by mistake I just typed the enter. That's why I just showing that. I will just write down.
Okay. No issue.
Ravi, summer actually, my name is Satish, but actually family name we have actually mentioned that.
Yeah, and Ravi, I just formatted my system, and this by default is taking account. That's why it's showing like that thing.
Okay, guys. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, very good. Everyone is given good. Okay, so let's write it. Okay, so I'm also writing it. Okay, who's having little bit doubt? Those people can clarify your doubt now. Okay, those people can clarify your doubt now. Okay, so see this, guys. Okay, see this. Okay, so I'm writing now. Okay, I'm writing now. Okay, so what join? Left join, right? So left join, what is that? First table is what? EMP tab, right? EMP tab is there, right? EMP tab, and what is that? We are taking the alias name E. Okay, we are taking the alias name E. Okay, after then what we are going to do now, guys? After then what is that? What we are going to do now?
Left join.
Okay.
Left join.
So then we will specify what is that? Left join, right? Left join. After then what we will take? The child table, right?
Child table name.
DEPT tab, right? After then what is that? D. Okay, D. After then what is that? Parent table foreign key. What is that? You see here on
DIDFK.
Yeah. Here what is that? DID.
DIDFK.
DIDFK. Here what is that? E dot DID FK
Yeah.
equal to what? Equal to what?
D dot DID.
D dot what is that?
DID.
DID. Okay. After then our query is what? To selecting E name as well as what? D name, right? So okay, good. So what we will take now, guys? Here we will take what? D dot, right?
D dot
Here we will
name.
take the E dot what? E dot what? E name, comma. Okay. Another one is what? After then what we will
D
take?
dot.
D dot
D
dot D name, right?
D name.
D.
Yes.
And this is nothing but what, guys? Left join, left outer join. Clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi, clear.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
it's clear.
Yes, clear.
Yes, very clear.
Okay, good. So okay now, guys. So okay. So again what I'm going to do now, inner join. Okay, again I'm giving the inner join, but the relation will be, guys, okay. Here what is the relation is there now? Which relation? Many to one relation we are performing, right? Means foreign key is there this side, right? Foreign key is this side. Now I'm going to give one example. Foreign key will be there in the child table, guys. Okay, child table. Okay, so that example will be this one. Okay, that example will be this one. Okay, so just I'm taking what is that? Product, right? Product, and what is that? Model. And between these two table, what relation is there now, guys? What relation is there? One to many, na? Come on, we learn
One to
already, guys.
one
Yeah,
product
one
from
to
many
many.
model.
One to many.
One to many.
One to many,
many.
please.
Okay, why I'm taking different one, guys? Your doubt will clear, right? Your doubt will be clear. Means what is the, you will think
Now
about that
foreign key
only.
is coming right side.
Only we can perform this inner join, outer join, left outer join in the, what is that? Only one like in the relation. No, guys, any relation will be there. We will perform this. Okay, just we have need to focus on what? Primary key, foreign key, and we have need to join the table, both table. Okay, so okay, guys. So okay, let's see that product and model is there, right? So the first table is what? PRD, right? PROD tab, right? PROD tab is there. Good. PROD tab is there. And another one is what? PID is there, right? PID is there. And what? P name is there now? P name is there. And what is that? P cost is there, right? P cost is there. Okay. This data is there. And another table is what? Another table is what? Model, right? Mod tab. Mod tab is there, right? Mod tab is there. In the model tab, what is that? MID is there. MID is there. M code is there. M code is there. PID FK is there, right? PID what? FK is there. Good. Very good. PID what? FK is there. Good. Very nice. Okay. So good, guys. So here, what is that? So our requirement is what? I'm writing the requirement, guys. See this, read it. Okay. So I'm writing SQL syntax. We have need to write what? SQL write inner join. Write inner join, and what is that? And display product name, and what is that? And what is that? Model code. Okay, this is our requirement, guys. Okay, this is our what? Requirement. Okay, so guys, what is that? Inner join. We have need to perform the inner join. Already we completed inner join. Here, see that inner join, right? But the table is the relation there between relation. What is that? Many to many. So just focus on what is that? This area. We have need to focus on what? On area, right? On area. Whenever we will connect the, what is that? Primary key and foreign key. So anybody can write the query, guys. Otherwise, I am there. Don't worry. Okay. Mistake also acceptable, guys. Okay. Mistake also acceptable, but please try everyone. Okay. Please try everyone. Please try everyone, guys. Okay. Inner join. We have need to perform inner join, but here, what is that? Foreign key is there inside the child table. Everyone. Please try it, guys. Okay, Padma, good. Samar, good. Sudhir, good. Mayank, good. Correct. People are catching the things. Okay, I'm happy, guys. Really, really, that's good only. Our hard work is working now. People are catching the things. Okay, good, good, very good, guys. Very good. Okay, guys. Okay, so good, everyone. Who's having little bit doubt now, guys? So see this. Okay, what is the syntax now? What is the syntax now? First, what is that? Select, right? Select. After then, what is that? From. After then, what? On, right? On. But what concept we have? Inner join, right? Inner join between these two tables. So what will be there now, guys? Here, what is that? Prod. We will take what is that? Prod, right? Prod tab, right? Tab. Okay. P. After then, which relation we are going to perform? Inner, right? So we will take inner join. After then, what is that? What is the child table? MOD, right? MOD tab, right? MOD tab. What is that? We will take the alias name M. Okay, good. We will take the alias name M. Okay, good. Okay, good. So good, guys. Okay, this is the syntax, right? After then, what is that? PID, right? So what is the reference of parent table? Now on what is that? P dot what? P dot what, guys? P dot what?
PID.
P dot P name.
PID.
Sorry, PID. Sorry.
Okay. After then, what is that? PID foreign key, right? Then what is that? M, right? That is the foreign key there in what is the child table, right? So what is the reference? M dot what is that? PIDFK. After then, what is our query? We have need to select P name and what is the M code, right? See this in the display product name and what is the product code, right? Product code. So what is that in the select area, right? What we will take? P, right? Because P name is there in the product table, guys. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, dear. P dot P name.
What is that?
P name.
P name.
Comma. After
M dot.
P dot.
M code.
M dot, right? Because the what is the M code is there in the model class, guys. Okay.
Alias.
M dot what is that? M dot what? M dot what? M code.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, guys. So like this. Okay. Like this, we will perform the operation now. Okay, guys. So good. Very good. So okay. So left join, right? Left join. We completed, right? Left join. Okay. Let's let's take one more. Okay. One more, last one, and then we will move on our practical area. Okay. I'm taking what? You people are enjoying or just feeling bored, guys? Come on.
No, Ravi, we are enjoying. You are following. It's very good.
Good, right? Padma?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, I am involving. Since many days, I am looking for this concept.
So now your concept is going to I'm able to clarify your concept or not, Padma?
Yes, Ravi. Now I could write the join syntax also query.
Okay, just syntax. After then, what is that? Whatever joins you want, you just left, outer, left, right, inner. That's it. Just change that one only. Except that, nothing more than this.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So okay, guys. So within the 1 minute, again meeting will end. Still, concept is more, guys. I think today we can't complete data JPA. I think. Okay.
No, Ravi, we are ready.
No,
Okay,
we are ready. Complete today only.
Okay.
Please complete today.
Okay, no problem, guys. We will.
It's very interesting classes.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
it is interesting.
Okay.
Ravi,
So-
what about your dinner? It's almost 8 o'clock.
And no problem. I will book what is that Zomato service I will take today. Okay. No problem.
No, you have dinner. You have dinner then.
Right,
You have dinner,
yeah.
and then we will